In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and look for location section. Then click on it and manage location by selecting this switcher next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!